In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the default deal name in HubSpot. We'll walk through how to set up a deal name that automatically pulls in information like the company or contact name, so you don't have to type it manually every time you create a new deal. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the very top of the screen and find the gear icon. This is your main settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. In this panel, look for the section labeled Data Management, and under that, click on Objects. This is where you control the settings for different record types in HubSpot, like contacts, companies, and deals. When you're inside the Objects area, look for the drop-down at the top of the page. Click on that drop-down and select Deals. This switches the view so that all the options you're seeing now are specific to deals. Scroll down the deal settings page until you find a hyperlink that says Customize the Create Deal form. This link controls what you see when you click Create Deal in your CRM. Click on that link to open the form editor. Inside the Edit Deal form screen, you'll see a toolbar on the left side. From here, look for the icon or option called Add Default Values. This is where you can specify what the default deal name should be when a new deal is created. Next, find the field for the deal name on the form. You should see a small pencil icon next to it, which indicates you can edit it. Click that pencil icon to open the settings for the deal name field. In the deal name settings, click the Personalize button. This allows you to insert tokens, which are placeholders that pull in actual data from your records. For example, you can choose tokens like company name or contact name. Under the type dropdown, select what kind of object you want to pull data from. And then in the next field, pick the specific token. When you've chosen the token you want, click Insert. This will build a default deal name that automatically populates based on the associated records. Once you're happy with the setup, look back to the left panel and click Update to apply these changes to the form. After that, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save to finalize everything. And that's it. You've now customized the default deal name, so your new deals will be faster to create and more consistent across your CRM.